Who is trading GPPUSD? Because smart money has entered though. This pair like this, smart money has entered like this, because what I'm seeing here, smart money has entered. This is the pair I'm talking about, GPPUSD. Smart money has entered this market already. Smart money has entered. You are welcome to Kelly BTC Academy. Here is where we use real market conditions to analyze, pair to teach, and to show you how the market works. So every strategy that we teach, we use the real market condition to show and to identify these things to our students. You are going to enjoy this video. Just stay with me while we analyze this pair to show you that smart money has entered this market right now. So this is GPPUSD that we are trading. This is the real market condition. This is my trading view. As you can see, this is my trading view. I'm looking at this pair in the 30-minute time frame. This is the real market condition. As you can see from here, it's reading. So you can confirm it's reading. That's the real market condition. Right now we want to analyze this pair using the smart money concept, smart money idea. We want to identify our recent break of structure. You can look from the left. From your left, you know where your break of structure is. Nobody will show you. From your left, you'll be able to know where your break of structure is and where the recent high and low is. From my left, as you can see, market was coming up from here. From here now, it dropped to this low before it went up there again. This was just a week. This is where we got the body break. This is where you got the break of structure. After this break of structure, that was where they get the high. That is where the high is. Where is the last liquidity? That is where the last liquidity is. The last sellers. Because these people that drop back this market, this is where their stop loss is. Somebody that sold from started to sell from here, stop loss is here. This is the last person that sold. Stop loss is here. This person that sold, stop loss is here. This is the very last stop loss. That's the liquidity level. Right now we are done with that. Now what's next? So after this break of structure, you can look back down, because when after market break structure, there is no how market will break structure without leaving a gap. You get, and you can look down before the break of structure. This was the gap. You can see this level. You can see a gap there. That was the gap. So you need to identify that gap, because market needs to come back to fill in the gap. I'm not the one that made that concept. It's what market normally does. You get, anytime market creates a gap, it always comes back to fill in that gap, because that is just normal. That is how market move. So as a smart trader, you make use of this thing. You pull these things together so that you know when to trade. You get. Now after the break of structure, that was the gap before the break of structure. So once you get your break of structure, there will be a gap, and this is the last order block. As you can see, because this was the last order block, this is the last sell that leads to that buy. So that is the last order block. You mark it also. It's very, very important. You mark your order block. That order block it has a fair value gap. You see other block that has fair value gap, respect that other blocks, because it always reacts market. It reacts market. Other block that has a fair value gap and it breaks structure, pay attention. Other block that has fair value gap and it also breaks structure, that that kind of other block always react market. That was not the reason why we entered. We validated a buy. Don't worry, I'm going to show you why we validated a buy at this level. Right now, a market is giving me a signal. BTC is giving me a signal. That's why you are hearing this sound. So it's going to stop. So let's just continue. Let's continue. BTC is giving me a signal. That's why the sound is coming up. Alright, so now, so from here you got your complete pullback to the other block, and this your pullback has filled in this gap, right? Remember I said once market break a structure, creates a gap, it will come back to fill in the gap. So now market has completely filled in this gap, and it has tapped into this other block. As a SMC trader, what can you do, or what is next thing to do is look for your reversal seek confirmation. Now if you go to your 15 minutes, because we were looking at that chart in the 30 minutes, so if you look at the 15 minutes from here, you can see your this is a morning star candlestick. The morning star candlestick should confirm for you that this market is going to buy, because it has gotten to your other block, it buy, it come back down, and it creates that morning star confirmation. This is where you got your confirmation to enter for the buy. You now apply two technique. This one now is just like extra technique, just like extra strategy. Your money, you need to know your candlesticks pattern confirmation. It will help you to know your when to enter for your confirmation entries, to help you for your confirmation entries. So now this is where I got my morning star confirmation. From here, SMC traders can now go in for a buy. This is how to trade SMC strategy. You can actually target this high here. You can see market, you now keep your stop loss below here. Target this high. This market is going successfully, it's moving very well, so you hold buy till it get to this high. That is how to trade smart money. That is how to trade SMC concepts. If you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video where we'll talk about supply and demand, how to identify a valid supply and demand levels. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime we upload new videos on our channel. See you in the next video. We love you guys. Thank you.